Hobbities, and welcome back to another episode of Gollum Reads. And today we are reading Pete the Cat Goes Camping. Yes, he does, doesn't he, precious? And you guessed it, in this story, Pete indeed goes camping, and there are all sorts of adventures. Let's get into the story, shall we? Pete is excited to go camping. This is his first time, precious, yes. Don't forget your sleeping bag, says Dad. Or your hiking boots, Mom says. The campsite is deep in the woods. Mom and Dad set up the tent. What's a tent, precious? We just sleep outside. Pete and Bob help collect sticks so they can make a fire later. Pete and Bob go for a hike, or as we call it, just walking around. Bob shows Pete the footprints of different animals. Do you think we will see anything cool? Asks Pete. Maybe, says Bob. Pete and his dad go fishing. Yes. They must be very quiet, precious, and very still to catch a fishy. Yes, fishing takes a long time. They finally catch some fish. Mom builds a fire. She cooks the fish for dinner. It tastes yummy. Next, Pete toasts marshmallows. Pete makes s'mores. What's a s'more, precious? With chocolate and graham crackers. Yeah! It starts to get dark out. Bob tells Pete a story about a scary, hairy giant. The giant lives in the woods. His name is Bigfoot. Yes. Do you think Bigfoot lives here? Asks Pete. No one has ever seen Bigfoot, says Bob. Don't let Bob scare you, says Dad. Bigfoot is not real, Mom says. Pete sighs with relief. Whew! But if he is real, I bet he's friendly, says Dad, and likes s'mores too. That's not scary, thinks Pete. Maybe he wants a s'moresy. Pete leaves one for his hairy friend. Soon it's time for bed. Lights up, boys, Dad says. Bob and Pete share a tent. Pete gets into his sleeping bag. It is cozy? Yeah, Gollum. But he cannot sleep. The woods seem extra dark, precious, and all the sounds seem extra loud at night time, yes. Pete hears a weird swooshing sound. What is that? He asks Bob. That's just the wind, my love, says Bob. Pete hears an odd chirping noise. What is that? He asks out loud. Those are just the crickets, precious. Pete hears a strange hooting sound. What is it? He wonders. That's just an owl. Pete thinks of his friend, Owl, yes. Pete hears a loud snapping sound. Crack! What is that? He wonders, but Bob is already fast asleep. Pete listens carefully. Crack! Is it Bigfoot, Precious? Pete peeks outside. It is too dark to see anything. When Pete wakes up, he checks the spot where he left the s'mores for Bigfoot. Yes. Yes. Thanks for the treat. Hugs and kisses, yes. Whatever that means. XOXO, yes. There is a note. It says, we just covered this. Thanks for the treat. XOXO. Yes, we know that. I just said it. Pete shows his family. Wow. I knew Bigfoot was real, says Burb. No, you didn't, Burb. You're lying. Pete knows Bigfoot is not scary. Just because he looks different does not mean he is scary, Precious. No, he even looks s'mores too. Yes! We hope you enjoyed this reading of Pete the Cat Goes Camping. And if you did, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below. Yes. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Do it. You know you want to, my love. Yes. Do it! That way you will see more of these as Gollum reads. Yes. Until next time, Hobbit says, Gollum, Gollum.